it? I love awesome news. I can't wait to hear it.
It's almost Easter! I can't wait!
That's right, Romeo. It is almost Easter. Are you ready for the Easter Bunny to come?
I sure am. He's going to bring me candy and toys and candy and toys and eggs and, oh yeah, toys.
That's right. The Easter Bunny is super cool. But there's only one problem, Romeo. You haven't been very good this year, have you?
Yeah, I've been good. A good villain.
The Easter Bunny only comes to boys and girls who have been good. And look, Romeo, you're at the bottom of the list. To get the Easter Bunny to come, you have to be at the top of the list.
Oh, I want the Easter Bunny to come to me. That's not fair. But wait, there's still time for me to be good, right?
Wait, I have a great idea. Why don't we spin this wheel, and whoever it lands on, you have to return the toys that you stole from them. I'm sure you'll be up the list in no time if you do that.
Well, okay, Ellie. The Easter Bunny will come to my house for sure after I return all the toys. Boys and girls at home, if you want to spin the wheel, then give me a big thumbs up.
Okay, do you want to see who it lands on first?
Let's do it.
Let's spin the wheel and see who we land on first. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
It landed on Sky from Paw Patrol. She's gonna be so happy to get her toys back.
Yeah, she does have the best toys. Do I really have to give them back?
Of course, Romeo. I'm gonna call her right now and see if she wants to play. I'll be right back.
Hey, Romeo, is Ellie Sparkles gone yet?
Grinch, what are you doing here?
I heard what Ellie said. There's no way you can get back all the toys that we stole this year.
But-
No way, no way.
But I want the Easter Bunny to come to my house this year. He always skips over my house.
That silly Easter Bunny always skips my house too. Just because we're villains? That's not fair. But this year I have the perfect plan. I'm gonna dress up as all the heroes, and you can pretend to give all the toys back. But really, it's just you giving me the toys. And after we trick Ellie Sparkles and all the boys and girls at home, we can keep all the toys and get our Easter presents too.
Grinch, that's the best plan ever. I mean, I had the same idea. I was just about to say that. Let's do it.
Okay, Romeo, you play along, and this way we'll trick everybody easily.
Okay, Ellie, I'll be right over. I can't wait to get my toys back. Chase, that was Ellie Sparkles. She said Romeo wants to give all my toys back that he stole from me.
That's great, Sky. Make sure you get all your LOL dolls back. Oh, wait. I have a list of all the toys he stole from you. Let me go get it.
Hello, Sky. It's your old pal, Grinch.
Grinch, hi. I don't have any toys for you to steal.
Don't be a silly pilot pup. I'm not here to steal your toys. Ellie Sparkles wanted me to give you a message. She said to go to McDonald's and get some Happy Meals before you come over.
Boys and girls, if you think Grinch is up to one of his silly plans, type go in the comments. Okay, Grinch. I am kind of hungry. I'll do that. Bye, Grinch.
My plan is working. Now for the best part. This is gonna be my best plan ever. Ellie Sparkles will never know that I'm not the real Sky. I look exactly like her. Time to get those toys.
Sky says she'll be here any minute. Do you have your toys to give to her?
I sure do. I have all these toys, and I'm ready to give them to him. I mean her. Sky is a her, and Grinch is a he. I mean not Grinch. There's no Grinch. There's definitely no plan with Grinch.
Romeo, you're being super silly. But I think I see Sky now.
I'm here. Now where's my toys?
Huh. Sky, you look a little different.
Nuh-uh, Ellie Sparkles. It's me, Sky. See? I have my pilot goggles on and long doggy ears, and I'm all pink. Pink is my favorite color.
That is true. You are all pink, and you have your goggles.
Can I give Sky's toy back yet? I just want to be good so the Easter Bunny will come to my house.
Sure thing, Romeo.
My LOL doll. Thanks, Romeo. Our plan is working.
Huh?
It was nice seeing you.
Happy Easter, Sky. All right, Romeo, let's see if you moved up the next list.
Yes, I did it! Easter Bunny's coming to my house!
Not yet, Romeo. You have to get to the top of the list. We had to go back to the wheel and find another person for us to return toys to. All you have to say are the magic words, and then the wheel will start spinning.
What's the magic magic words again? Oh yeah, banana monkey salami juice.
Banana monkey salami juice. Those aren't the magic words. That's so silly. The magic word is abracadabra.
Oh yeah, I knew that. 1, 2, 3. Abracadabra.
It landed on Buzz Lightyear. I didn't know you stole toys from Buzz, Romeo. You must have been extra sneaky.
Oh yeah, I remember that. I stole one of his little green alien friends. Buzz was so sad, but I wasn't. I got a new toy.
It's me, Buzz Whitebeard.
Wait, don't you mean Buzz Lightyear?
That's what I said. Buzz Kiteweird.
Kite weird? Oh man, something's not right here. Okay, Romeo, do you have your toy to give to Buzz Lightyear?
I had so much fun with this alien toy this year. I'm gonna miss you, little green guy.
Thanks, Romeo.
Okay, Buzz, thanks for coming. Say hi to Woody for me.
Woody? Who's Woody?
Oh, brother.
Ellie, am I good enough yet? Will the Easter Bunny come for me yet?
Almost there, Romeo. How about we do one more spin and get back one more toy?
If I have to, Ellie, then the Easter Bunny will have to come to my house for sure. Abracadabra! Catboy? Seriously? I never agreed to give any toys back to any of the PJ Masks.
Romeo, come on, this is the last one. Don't you want the Easter Bunny to come?
Well, I guess I'll give him back his toy. I mean, it's not the real Catboy anyway. Huh?
Wait, what did you just say?
Nothing. I said, okay, let's get Catboy here so I can give him back his toy.
Did you see how fast I just came in? Lightning speed. Because I'm Catboy, of course.
I don't know if that was Catboy fast, Catboy. You can do much better. You look a little weird. For instance, you're wearing a Paw Patrol badge.
I'm super fast. I have a blue face, and I even bark like a cat. Woof, 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 woof.
Catboy, that's not how cats sound. Boys and girls, if you know what a cat says, leave it in the comments.
Woof, woof, meow, meow. What's the difference? I'm the real Catboy, and I want my toys back. Gimme, gimme, gimme.
Okay, Catboy. Here's your toy back.
Whoa, that's too many crayons. It's so heavy, I'm gonna fall. Run away, Romeo.
Grinch! It was you all this time? Oh my goodness! Romeo, did you know Grinch was faking us out the entire time?
Yes, Ellie Sparkles. Grinch and I came up with this plan to trick you and the boys and girls. But you spoiled it again. No fair, no fair!
Well, it looks like the Easter Bunny is only gonna go to the good guys this year. Happy Easter, everyone!